Gearbox, fastest gear. Shift gears, slow down. Shift gears again and the speed decreases again. I changed gears again and the speed was even slower. This time, there was a direct clicking sound. Because this gear is too stressed, switching gears again, the speed increased again. It feels like the gear order is out of order. Shift gears, the pace slowed down again. This time the slowdown is more pronounced. Hey, look, it's fast again. Does anyone know the order of its changes? This gear is very slow and takes the most force. Here we can only turn slowly and show slowly. A clicking sound occurs because the force is too great. The building block structure is not strong enough. Switch to neutral here and the engine will no longer rotate. Switch to forward gear and the direction now. Rotation begins to reverse. Expect this unplanned. You can buy it if you like it. Thanks for the support.